Hi guys, welcome and thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing and trying out the SJEG 7-inch blade spring-loaded shock absorbing ice chopper. Alright, here we go. If you guys have any problems with your product, feel free to call this 1-800 number. Inside this bag, there's a contest for winning $20 gift card. And if you register your product, you will be able to activate your 2-year warranty. The actual size of this ice chopper is 47 inches. And the actual blade size is 6 3/4 inch. The height of the blade is 5 3/4 inch. This weighs about 3.2 pounds. Now this is the polydurable handle. It's about 5.5 inch wide. This inside here is spring loaded. It's supposed to help you reduce strain. And I can actually push it a little bit to show you the spring action. Spring back. Now this is the chopper. The thickness of this carbon steel is 12 gauge, slightly over 2 millimeters. And this is removable. I guess it's for warranty purposes possibly. You're able to replace it if they send you a new one. I'll give you guys a close-up look. Here's the SJEG logo. Now for the other side. I'll be showing you guys a quick demo and trying out the product for myself. The ice is about 2 to 3 inches thick and it gets thicker as I go out. This ice chopper works and all, but it feels like it's a medium to light duty chopper. It's taking me quite a bit of time to chop this piece of ice that's only about 2 inches thick. I guess I can't expect too much, since the blade is only 12-inch gauge and it's not very heavy duty. The shock absorber is a decent feature. I do feel it does work. It does take some of the impact away from my wrist. At most, I would rate this 4 out of 5 stars. For me personally, I would spend a little extra for a thicker gauge blade and with some weight to it. The one thing I hate the most about this chopper is that there are 2 rivets that stick out of the shaft and is not flush. Depending how you hold the chopper, it could pinch your skin. Putting away the ice was a lot easier on this side. Due to the melted ice from below, the blade was able to get from underneath.